Looks like it's packed pretty good. There you can see right here, a lot of foam, a lot of cardboard. Looks like it was just the top end. I don't see any damage so far. Looks like it survived that part. Let's see if we can get her out of there. Got a couple bags of pedals and looks like a little tool bag. Another little box here. And that doesn't have nothing in it. Interesting. We save that so I don't have any leftover parts. This is what came in the bag. We'll open that up in a little bit and see what shenanigans are going on in there. Looks like a lot of zip strip. More filler. Part of the handlebar assembly, it looks like. There's the seat. There we go. Looks like we got the charger. You can see it's a special adapted charger. So I seriously doubt you're going to be able to plug it into a normal circuit, but we'll find out what's going on. Is that your pin? Or I'm a pin? Someone's a pin here. All right. Let's see if we can get that puppy out. Looks like it's all going to come out in one piece. I bet you I can undo that zip strap though. Let's see if we can get that off of there, and the front tire's locked onto it. So maybe, baby. I like to save these zip strips. They're reusable. All right. See if that breaker free. Nah, she's got a couple more down there. That can stay on. Oh, there goes a fender. Looks like we got an axle bolt or something there. Just flying around in the box. Good thing it didn't go out those holes, huh? You heard that fender was metal, huh? That's unusual. Usually everything nowadays is plastic, isn't it? Yeah, that's solid metal. That'll work. Okay. Up and out. Get out of there. Look at all this. Oh, that's what that was for. Looks like it held that rack in place or some shenanigans. Boy, seemed like they were in a hurry to get that shipped out, huh? But that's what we have here. Got a lot of foam. Don't look too banged up. Let's see what we got here. Mind that camera. Let's bring it back over here. Kind of see what's shots here. Oh, I'm on a slope, so I'm gonna have to get the best camera angle there. That's pretty good. Now it's time to take a break with some cool, refreshing compa that you should sponsor this video because I'm drinking your nice, cool, refreshing beverage. And yes, it does have a little alcohol. So let's see if we can get this off. Whoops, there goes another one of my fingers. I have a grandchild, so that's why I sing those nursery rhymes a lot. It's just like, once you have one, you'll figure it out. Or two, or three, or four. The more the merrier. The more for me to spoil. There it is. Ooh, those are cool looking wheels. Boy, that feels like it's just foam. It's like great stuff foam. But it's great stuff. I'll get you a look at that, see? Pretty sweet, huh? There you go. And let's see. What I want to do is see if I can get to that battery pack. That's my main goal. Let's keep that on there. I think that I want to keep on there for right now. That's the control panel. Has some sort of screen. We'll figure it out. I did read the manual and then I forgot about it. So, you know, it's one good thing I did read the manual. Okay, these little zip strips aren't worth what, they're not worth my time. They're just gonna have to get out of there. Does that hold anything? Gotta be careful. It looks like there's a lot of zip strips holding stuff too, so I don't want to clip the wrong zip. We're gonna have to figure that one out, huh? Let's get that out of the way. And we'll just get that out of the way. Okay, that looks like the stand, or the, you know, bracket for the bracket. All right, let's see. Pretty sure that zip strip can come off too. Oh, that was holding the bike up. All right, and that looks like it's a seat. And it's the old school. We all know what that's for, right? They're right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this off and see what it looks like underneath. Ooh, look at that. Those aren't, those are baked on. That's not stickers. That's nice. That's nice. Twice as nice. You're not gonna get that ugly looking peel look. A little cap for that. And let's check out that battery compartment. See what's happening in there. Open that up. Unlock it. And I guess you got a handle right there. That's pretty damn cool. And there you have it. That looks like the battery. There's a little clip right there to get your fingers in. And I think I remember reading you got to have a key to get it out of there. So I guess we're going to have to look for the key. I'd like to get that battery charging before I actually start putting this together. And that way, by the time maybe I'm done, we can make one good run with it. Yeah, I gotta have to watch where you park these things, huh? Ugh. I was working on my car today and my back's all stoved up. Okay. Let's see where that key is. Maybe it's in this bag of tricks. Nope. No key in there. And there's no key with that charger. I don't have any idea how I'm going to plug that thing in. I guess I ain't going to charge it tonight after all. What's in this little box here? There's a key in here. No, a bunch of little tools. Yeah, like, you know, the one that your grandma has in her sewing machine drawer. All right. I don't see a key.